Very good morning to one and all. Myself Mala. So all of you welcome for the first class of cryptography and network security. So what is cryptography and what is network security? And we'll also discuss here what are called these cyber laws. Okay, that is about the subject for this semester. Okay, what is cryptography? It is nothing but art of secret writing or making of ciphers. Means we are doing encryption as well as decryption, right? So what is this encryption? What is this decryption? Why we require this encryption and decryption? What are the applications where you are going to use in your day life, right? So everyone are using these encryption decryption in your day life, but still now you are not aware, right? Because you use your ATM cards, you use your ATM debit cards, credit cards, or you are sharing your passwords. So all your sent is clear, right? But you don't know which is not passed as it is whatever you send, right? Instead it will be done encoding and decoding. That is a encryption and decryption. Why this encryption decryption will be done? Because always there is an attacker in a network, right? Or we call it as intruder in a network. So they can modify your message or they can steal your information. So to secure your data through the network, or it should be reached to the particular destination, so we are going to study many cryptographic algorithms as well as many protocols of network to secure the data. This is where we require cryptography, right? So for every application we require this cryptography. How it is started? So which is started in a olden days, that is during World War times. So where to share some secret data, they started this form of encryption decryption. Means converting your original message, instead of transferring as it a clear message, it is converted to other form, that is called as encryption. That other form is unreadable form, you can't understand. Means an attacker can't get easily what is that encrypted data, what may be that message. He may take very long time to guess what is that actual message based on the algorithm we are going to use, right? So that is a encryption process. It may take longer time to break for an attacker. So in olden days it is started with the Enigma machine, but currently which are used in a recent technology called as blockchain technology, right? Everyone heard what is blockchain technology. So which is using this cryptography, that is a core part of blockchain technology, which uses this cryptographic algorithm to perform the applications. Using blockchain we are going to perform banking application or military application or some smart classes or for government application. To share or to secure our secret data we require this cryptography. Securing data through network is called as network security. And in day life you heard about some sort of cyber crimes, right? How to overcome these cyber crimes, what are the rules and regulation we should follow, right? Those things we are going to discuss in cyber laws. This is a little introduction about this subject called cryptography. Okay, thank you everyone.